The MINI Countryman R60 from 2010 to 2015 uses an indirect tire pressure monitoring system. Unlike newer systems with sensors in each tire, this system uses ABS sensors to detect changes in wheel speed. When a tire loses pressure, its rotational speed changes, which the system interprets as low pressure. Resetting the TPMS is essential after adjusting tire pressures, rotating tires, or replacing them. The car needs to relearn what is normal. Resetting the TPMS recalibrates the system to recognize the current tire pressures as the new baseline. Without a reset, the system may trigger false low-pressure warnings, even if your tires are properly inflated. This is because the car remembers the old parameters. Proper TPMS function is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires increase rollover risk and reduce fuel economy. Before starting the reset process, ensure you have a reliable tire pressure gauge. Inflate all tires to the recommended pressures specified in your MINI Countryman R60 owner's manual, typically 32 psi front and 35 psi rear, but verify your specific values. Park your car on a flat surface. Also, make sure your car battery has a sufficient charge of over 12 volts. First, turn the ignition to the on position, which is position 2, without starting the engine, for 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this ignition cycle 3 times. Next, drive your MINI Countryman R60 at speeds above 20 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the system to relearn the tire pressures. Sharp turns or accelerations can aid calibration during the drive cycle. After completing the drive cycle, check your instrument cluster for the TPMS warning light. If the light has extinguished, the reset was successful. If the light remains on, it indicates that the reset was unsuccessful, or there may be an underlying issue with the system or your tires. If the TPMS light persists after attempting the reset, this indicates a common issue. False alarms are frequent, especially after tire rotations or in colder climates where wheel speed changes can trigger warnings. For older models from 2010 to 2012, battery drain and ABS sensors often causes these false warnings. To resolve this, use an OBD2 scanner to read any stored error codes and clear them. This diagnostic tool connects to your vehicle's onboard computer and provides accurate information about the TPMS system. For the ABS sensor issue in 2010-2012 models, inspect the sensors shown here. Battery drain can lead to inaccurate readings, so check the sensor connections and battery voltage to prevent false TPMS warnings. By addressing these common issues with the right tools, you can resolve TPMS problems effectively. Modern aftermarket OBD2 tools can directly reset the TPMS on your MINI Countryman R60. Tools like Blue Driver and Autel MaxiSys connect to your vehicle's OBD2 port and automate the relearning process. The Autel MaxiSys, for example, offers a comprehensive diagnostic interface with TPMS reset options that work reliably on R60 models. Third-party apps like Torque Pro, when paired with an ELM327 adapter, offer MINI-specific TPMS reset protocols. These smartphone-based solutions allow for convenient home resets without expensive tools. The ELM327 adapter connects to your phone's Bluetooth and supports all OBD2 protocols, making it compatible with various apps for efficient TPMS relearning. These advanced options automate the relearning process and often reduce reset times from 15 to 20 minutes to under 5 minutes, providing a faster and more accurate alternative to manual methods. While DIY resets are convenient, expert mechanics recommend professional calibration every 2 years or after major tire work to prevent inaccuracies. Bob Lutz, former MINI CEO, notes the R60's TPMS is simple but effective if maintained. Also be aware that in rare cases, 2013-2015 models with optional direct TPMS require additional sensor programming with dealer tools.